Hey everyone, welcome back to the Skillsharp. Today we'll see break, continue, and pass. These three types of keywords or statements in Python programming language. Why these things are used and the different types of test cases we can see here. The first, this is the you can say syntax of the continue statement, and let's start with our first thing, that is the break statement. Okay, now here I have taken one example for break statement, and that is finding the prime number. Okay, so here I have initiated a while loop with a with a less than 40, right? So number here you can see number variable is instantiated with 40, and counter variable I is instantiated with 2. Okay, so while loop starts from I to the number. Okay, and in while loop we check if number mod I, that is the modulus operation on the number, is equals to 0, and if it's equals to 0 then the given number is not a prime number, right? So let's take an example. So let's see, first I is 2, and you can see 2 mod, okay, I is 2, so 14 mod 2, it gives us the exact, that is the given number is not a prime number, right? So here after this there is no need to execute the statements, right? So that's why you can see the break is triggered here, and it will escape out of the loop, right? So let's try to run this program. You can see 14 is not a prime number. Let's take another scenario. Now this time I will take 7, and let's run. Now you can see it start again from the 2. So first I has a value of 2, and num, that is 7 divided by 2. So it's not giving 0. Mod operation won't give us the return value as 0. So it will come out of this if statement and increase the counter. Again check it for 3. So again we won't get this operation or this condition as satisfied. Again it will break out of the if condition. Again it will increase, and it will continue until it reaches the 7. Okay, and when it reaches 7, still it won't work. So in this scenario, our I, that is counter, and counter reached the value 7, right? So if counter's value is equals to 7, that means we haven't find any divisor for the specific number which divides and give us the remainder as 0. Okay, that means the given number is a prime number. This is the basic logic, and you can see how in the previous scenario the break statement work. But here the break statement never encountered, and we will get our result, that is 7 is a prime number. Okay, so this is the break statement. Break statement usually uh, breaks the loop or breaks the iteration we are doing. Okay, the next statement we are going to work with is continue statement, and we need continue statement multiple time when we want to just continue with current iteration or current iter option. Okay, so in this scenario, I have taken a number variable that has value 11, and a counter variable I that has a value of 1. Okay, initiated a while loop, you can see here, from I to that number num. Okay, and here I am also again checking I mod 2 equals to 0. Means the given number, whatever it is, if its remainder is 0 after dividing it by 2, then it will continue this if condition, and it will increase it. And okay, it, if it returns a reminder 0, that means it's a even number, right? And we don't want to print the even number. So in this scenario, you can see here it will increase the counter by 1 and continue. So what continue will do, continue will continue to the next iteration. It will escape this statement as well as this statement. Okay, so when it comes to 2, 2 mod 2, okay, it comes to 3, 3 mod 2, it, the remainder is 1, right? So it won't go in this if loop, right? And here it's not going into this if block. It will directly come here, and it will print odd number, that is I 3. Then it will increase I by 1 and again go into the loop, and it will continue unless this whole thing is completed. So this is the uh, example or basic example of continue statement. Let's run the program and you can see 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. All even numbers are escaped by the loop. Okay. And let's come to our third scenario, that is pass. So this keyword is unique in the Python. It's not present in other programming languages that we have learned previously, that is C++, Java, etc., etc. So here, pass is just basically passing the iteration. It won't do anything. It just pass the current iteration and go to the next. So here I have initiated a for loop I with the range of 10, right? And in the for loops body, I have passed the statement pass. So you can see every time it encounters, it come into the loop, it will pass. It come into the loop and it will pass. And ultimately, the pass statement works, statement is executed. So I will run the program and now you can see the pass statement is run. Okay, so in this way, the break, continue, and pass, these three types of statements work in Python programming language. So this is all for today's video. If you think this content is helpful, then please do like it and share with the other programmers. We will see you in the next video. Till then, happy coding.